What is samsara? That Brahma atiriktam vastu asti. That I look upon something other than Brahma, or Brahma nasti, that Brahma is not, that moment is called samsara. The moment when I am away from Brahma, that is samsara. What is samsara? Because when I am not abiding in Brahma, or not contemplating or thinking about Brahma, there is samsara, the limited thing is there. There is always limitations, parichindata, and therefore may my mind never be away from so appreciation of this fact that whatever there is Brahma. And so I require blessing of Brahma. And so may I always enjoy the blessing of Brahma so that I always remember it. Samsare ma patayatu. It's not that Brahma will send me or throw me into samsara, because that's where I am. But the point is that I always remember that Brahma alone is, and there also we are seeking. And so yame vaisha virunade tena labhya. This is varana. So mama brahma nirakuryam. That is why I choose Brahma. So tena labhya tasyaishavatma vivrunate tanum swam. So Brahma ma nirakur. So what is it? Mama Brahma nirakaro. This is paraspara. That I always remember Brahma, I always worship, or I always contemplate upon that. May Brahma also shower its blessings so I never get away from it. Anirakaranamastu avayo parasparam pritihe vastu. And so may always remain. So may always have love for Brahma, and may Brahma always bless me. Tastyaham na pranashyami sachamena pranashyati. This is how Lord says that jnanitvatmaiva me matah. Jnani is my Atma, and therefore I never get away from him. He never gets away from me. Tadatmani nirate ya Upanishatsu dharmaha te mai santu tadatmani brahmatmani nirate. So nischite rate nischena nirantaram prem kurvati mai. I who always loves Atma. So I who is dedicated to the discovery or to abidance in this knowledge, gain this knowledge. And that is possible only when there is love. As we say, that any pursuit is possible only when love is there. And that I, the mumukshu, who is dedicated to gaining this knowledge, to abiding in this knowledge, out of love for Atma. Nirantaram prema kurvati mai. And so, who is constantly in love with Atma. So, Upanishadsu dharmaha prasiddhaha prakashitaha vedanteshu samadhi shatka sampatti viveka vairagya. So these dharma, these values or the qualities, which are Upanishadsu vedanteshu prakashitaha, which are revealed by Vedantas. This dharma mai santu. So may these dharmas, so may these qualifications, the yogyata, be in me, so that I so samarthyam. Evam hi viraktasya. So brahmatma vijnanam shrotum mantum vijnatum samarthyam upapadyate. So may I have that samarthyam. That's the balam that we want. Because the Upanishad says nayamatma balahinena labhya. And what is that balam? That is the samarthyam. Shrotum mantum vijnatum samarthyam. That I always enjoy, I always revel. So atmani nirate. I who is constantly reveling in Atma. How? Through Shravanam, through Mananam, Nidhyasanam. In all the activities, Atma always is in the center. So I who is always reveling in Atma, or want to revel in Atma. So may my mind be anukulam. So may my mind be enjoy the disposition, so that it can revel in Atma. It can always enjoy this. And that disposition is called the qualification. That's all. The contemplativeness, the cheerfulness, the abidance. May my mind always be poised. May it always abide. So, Vedanteshu prakashitaha shamadaya dharmaha te mai santu. Let those dharmas or qualities be in me. Iti. Te mai santu adarartha. Importance. That these dharmas may be there, these qualities may be there in my mind. Shanti Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let there be peace. Adhyatmik, Adi Bhautika, Adi